Now we are ready to convert this to a smart object. Let us go to the Layers panel on the lower right, right-click the layer, and then choose Convert to Smart Object. From here, we can now export this as PNG. Let us go to the menu bar, select the File tab, go to Export. From here, you will see there are two choices. Either you will use Quick Export as PNG or Export as. We will use the shortcut method, so let us choose Quick Export as PNG. From here, we can press the Save button. Now let us check if we have generated the PNG format. Let us go to File, select Open. Then as you can see here, we have the PNG image of our fashion winter model. So select Open. And as you can see, we now have the PNG format of our fashion winter model. We can now embed this to the winter picture. Now we can embed our model to our picture. Let us go to the menu bar, select the File tab, and then select Place Embedded. Let us choose Fashion Winter Model that is in PNG format. So I will select the Place button. And then from here, we can modify, resize, or change the properties of our picture. So we can resize this by using your cursor. And then you can also right-click. These are the different options. So let's say you want to rotate our model to 180 degrees. Right-click again, select 180 degrees. We can also flip her. So right-click and then flip horizontal. So let's say I will place her here. And then I will resize her. So if you are okay with the changes, you can now press Enter or select the check icon in the options bar. We can also duplicate by using the Move tool in the Tools panel, and then press the Alt key or Option key in Mac. Press Alt, I'm pressing Alt, left click, and then we can move her here. If you want to duplicate again, press the Alt key or Option key in Mac, left click, move her here, and then you can release your Alt key and your mouse. So that is how you embed a PNG format in our picture.